In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in NotebookLM. So it's actually quite simple. First, you have to go up here, but don't click on these settings because if you do, as you can see, there's no option to change the language. What you want to do is click over here on your account, and then from here, you want to click Manage your Google account. Now, once you've done this, you want to go over here to where it says Search Google Account and type in language. So just like this, there we go. And then once you see it, you want to click on the personal info, language. And then over here where it says preferred language, you simply want to change this by clicking on this pen icon. So for me, it's English United Kingdom right now, and you want to click over here and then select a new language, for example, German. There we go. And then you just want to click on that. And then you want to select, of course, the region of speaking. So let's say it's going to be Germany over here, and then you want to click save, and your language will be instantly changed. So if I click save now, there we go. As you can see, everything has been changed into German. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.